Welcome back to the Porsche Exchange's journey through the 2024 Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge. We're thrilled to share the latest progress on our 1975 911 Targa restoration project. This month's update comes to you from the Fuel-Fed Coffee and Classics show in Winnetka. A big thank you to the organizers for hosting such a fantastic event and allowing us to showcase our work. It was an incredible opportunity to connect with fellow car enthusiasts and share the passion behind our restoration journey. Now let's hear from Liam with the latest on our restoration efforts.
Hi, I'm Liam with the Porsche Exchange. We're here at Fuel-Fed in Winnetka. Just to give a little update about what we've gotten done in the past month. We have gotten the full interior in, all the leather's been redone and it's now fully installed. And we got all of our body panels on with help from North Shore Auto to get the entire exterior of the car done. So now all that's left is to put the engine and transmission in the car and then work out any kinks.
With the interior complete and body panels in place, our attention has turned to the heart of the 911 Targa. Our certified Porsche technicians have meticulously rebuilt the iconic flat-six engine. Every component, from the pistons to the camshafts, has been carefully inspected, refurbished, or replaced. This detailed process ensures that the engine will perform at its peak, delivering the power and precision Porsche is known for. We're now just about ready to reinstall the engine and transmission, a significant milestone in our restoration journey. This step will bring us one step closer to hearing that classic Porsche roar once again, echoing the spirit of the 911 Targa's storied past. As we wrap up this month's update, we want to thank you for following along on our restoration journey. Your support and enthusiasm means the world to us. Stay tuned for next month's update as we continue to bring this classic beauty back to its former glory, step by meticulous step. Join us next time as we delve into the final stages of this restoration, ensuring every detail is perfect and every component is functioning flawlessly. Until then, drive safe and stay passionate about the journey of automotive excellence.